Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Farzana Shaheen from Brain Train. We are doing a reading comprehension, beginner lowest level 1 and lesson number 7. Reading comprehension यानी पढ़ना सीखेंगे, समझेंगे लेसन को और फिर उसके बाद एंड पे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स भी दिए जाएंगे और ये सिखाया जाएगा कि कैसे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर तलाश करते हैं. You will learn how to answer the questions also. Let's start. Topic is, our lesson's name is The Pot is Hot. Focus, words in the ought family. It means mostly the words would be ought, ending at ought, O-T, ought. So you can see there are mostly some previous words also. आप पहले जो सीख चुके हैं वो words भी होते हैं और new words भी होते हैं. So we'll be paying more attention to the new words. Let's start. The pot is hot. I have got a pot. I have got a pot. मेरे पास एक बर्तन है या एक बर्तन मुझे मिला है. The pot is hot. बर्तन गर्म है. It is a hot pot. It is a hot pot. ये गर्म बर्तन है. We all got hot soup from the pot. We all got hot soup from the pot. हम सब ने बर्तन में से गरम सूप लिया. Now there is not a lot in my pot. अब मेरे बर्तन में ज्यादा नहीं है. Scott has got a robot. Scott has got a robot. Scott को एक robot मिला है. His robot has got a spot. His robot has got a spot. उसके robot पे निशान है, ये निशान पड़ गया है. The spot on the spot on the robot is a dot. Dot. Just dot एक नुक्ते की तरह. तो उसके रोबोट के ऊपर जो निशान है वो एक नुक्ते जैसा है, एक नुक्ता है. Scott put the dot on the robot. Scott put the dot on the robot. रोबोट पे किसने निशान डाला है? स्कॉट ने रोबोट पे निशान डाला है. Scott likes his robot a lot. Scott likes his robot a lot. Scott अपने रोबोट को बहुत पसंद करता है. Now it's time to question answers. I hope you understand the lesson so we can do easily. Is there a lot in the hot pot? क्या hot pot में काफी है, यानी क्या था उसमें? सूप था, तो काफी ज्यादा सूप है. So we see in this whole paragraph where is the answer. अब पूरा paragraph पढ़ेंगे और अगर आपको याद है you can directly come to that point. In that it was saying now there is not a lot in my pot, यानी मेरे pot में बहुत ज्यादा नहीं रह गया. So we'll make a little changes. हम कहेंगे no. We'll not say now. It's no. There is not a lot in the pot. We're not saying my pot. We'll not put same sentence. हम बिल्कुल वैसे का वैसा उठा के नहीं लिख देंगे. We'll make a little change according to the question. جیسے کہا گیا ہے is there a lot in the pot, تو ہم نے no then there, اور question میں is outside ہوتا ہے, اس کو ہم اندر لے آئیں گے. No there is not, ہم نے not ایڈ کیا, اس کے بعد کہیں گے a lot in the hot pot. Same we are bringing now. There is not a lot in the hot pot. So this way you have to answer. آپ نے اس طرح سے جب کہیں سے بھی آنسر لینا ہے, sometimes آپ بالکل same لکھ سکتے ہیں, but sometimes you have to change. All the time it's not same answer which is in the paragraph, so be careful. Next question is, what has Scott got? Scott کو کیا ملا? So this is the same answer. Scott has got a robot. اس کو robot ملا ہے. So we can write in the same way. Scott has got a robot. No changes. Then does Scott like his robot? کیا Scott پسند کرتا ہے اپنے robot کو? Yes, it was here also. Scott likes his robot a lot. اس کو بہت پسند ہے. So we can say yes. First we'll answer yes. Scott like, you can say, see here is S also here. Why it is there? Because it was does here. آپ کو ٹینس دیکھنا ہوگا یہاں پہ, اگر does ہے تو آپ verb کے ساتھ s ایڈ کریں گے. یہ رولز میں نے جو ٹینس کروائے ہیں اس میں ویسے بتائے ہوئے ہیں. تو do اور does کے جو questions ہوتے ہیں ان کے ساتھ آپ verb میں s ایڈ کرتے ہیں. You add s if it's a present indefinite tense. So be careful when there is does. Remember in the question you have to add s with the verb. Yes, Scott likes his robot a lot. Read it again, answer the question, do practice and learn. Like it, share it with your friends, and till next video, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.